Okay, Isa, write letter A.
Okay.
A stands for air. Say air.
Air.
Down, down, and straight. How to write A? Down, down, straight. Okay, make many, many A's. Next. Down, down, straight. Good. More. Down, 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 straight. Sige. Dito sa paper.
Down.
No, down, down, straight. Oh, that's a lot. Erase it, erase it. No, that's wrong. Do it again. Do this first. Down, down, straight. Okay, next. Next, please. Next, please. Yep. You're gonna have a birthday on your school na, oh. Are you excited? Or not?
Excited.
Dali, oh. Sulat mo na yan, oh, para mommy will prepare your chocolate. What? Chocolate what?
Fountain.
Okay, I'll go.
It's my birthday here.
Nope.
Here.
Sa school.
You can say
No, this one na lang. This one. Okay. 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 Next. Good. 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 Okay, next. Good. 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 Okay. This is letter
A.
for air.
Air.
What's this letter?
A.
For?
For air.
It's letter.
A.
For?
For air.
This one.
A.
For?
Air.
Good job.